Hey folks, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video we are going to see how to run the queries of the operators. Everything we are going to see in this video. In the previous video we have shown about what are the queries and how does our query looks, and everything we have shown in the previous video. So if you have not yet, please go and check out the video. So let's check out about the how to run the query into the VS code. Okay, first of all we are going to see about the sum operator. Okay, so basically sum means addition, we all know that. So first of all, before adding the things, I will tell you some basic knowledge that we have to add the integers mean the numbers. We have to add the numbers into the variables. If you don't know that what is meant by the variables, please check out our variable basic video. Okay, now we are going to see about. Okay, first of all we have to create a variable. As I am creating a name variable in which I will add the number 1. Okay, this is the variable a which is equals to our 1, and after that we are creating a b variable which is equals to 2. Okay, now these are our variables. Now after that we have to create a new variable. As I am creating here sum means addition. After that we have to write this as which is equals to sum, which is equals to, we have to write in a bracket our operator as a plus b. Okay, this is we have created with the successfully. Now if we want to see that what is the output, then simply we have to write here print, and this both are stored into the sum variable. Okay, so directly we have to write here sum in the print. Okay, and simply here we have to run the Python file, and simply here you can see the output is 3 here at the downward. Okay, this is how we have shown about the sum operator. Now we are going to see about the subtract. Okay, subtract means this all will become same, only we have to write here subtract, and instead of plus we have to write here minus, and we have to write here subtract because we have stored all that into our subtract variable, and simply we have to run. Here you can see the output will become -1. Okay, now we are going to see about the multiplication. Okay, simply we have to change this. Instead of subtract we have to write here multiplication, and instead of, this is the very important point, instead of minus we have to write here star means multiplication symbol, and simply we have to write here our variable name which is stored our both variables into the multiplication variable, and simply we have to write here multiplication and run here. Here you can see 2 into 1 is equals to 2, and we are going to see about the division. Simply we have to write here division, and instead of asterisk we have to write here slash, and simply we have to write our variable name as div. We have saved that, and here you can see 1 by 2 is equals to 0.5. Okay, this is how we have shown about the plus, minus, multiplication, division, how to run the query. Okay, in the next video we are going to see the next operators. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please like, share. Okay, let's see you in the next video guys.